Hey guys, this is Manni Chopra here at the Wokingham site, and I'm currently going into one of the one beds just to show you a little bit about what's going on. This apartment is basically going to have Helios infrared as its heating system. For those of you who don't know quite what it is, have a look at it, but it's basically infrared heating where they actually heat the bodies of people, so us, i.e., so they'll warm us up and feel a lot warmer rather than the actual room. And alongside that, there's going to be air source heat pump in these apartments. So let me show you what it's going to be like. So here you will go into this apartment. Let's just turn the camera around, and here is the cupboard. Key thing I want to show you is these guys are doing the plasterboarding on this after the installation of 150 mil, and effectively they'll do a single plasterboard layer. Then the Helios team will come in tomorrow and do a film on top of the plasterboarding here, and then these guys will re-plasterboard the ceiling again, so that then the Helios connection is probably incompletely done. So yeah, just thought I'll show you quickly what these guys are up to. I know you guys find it all very interesting, so you could have a quick look while they're just doing all the plasterboarding there. And yeah, first fix plumbing and electrics have also been done for these apartments here. So just thought I'll quickly show you, whiz around and show you that as well. Thank you guys. Hope you found that useful, guys. We are doing daily, weekly property content each and every week on different types of property content to keep you ahead of your property game. So do share, like and subscribe us, and have a look at our website teamtitans.co.uk for our forthcoming events. The next one is on Thursday the 11th of April 2024 for commercial to commercial strategies and how you can add value in commercial properties using asset management and other strategies. Check out our website now for www.teamtitans.co.uk. Thank you.